Create buckets for storing objects in your iDrive E2 account. Sign into your iDrive E2 account and select a geolocation from the Regions drop-down for creating buckets. Click Enable. Go to the Buckets tab. Click Create Bucket. Enter a bucket name. Select the access level
and configure encryption and versioning. Enable multi-factor authentication for sensitive operations like object deletion to ensure added security. Configure object locking and bucket audit logging as required. You can also add tags.
Click Create Bucket. To upload objects in the bucket, click on the bucket. Click Upload and upload the objects. You can copy the settings from an existing bucket while creating a new bucket. In the Create Bucket slider, go to the Quick Setup option. Go to the Storage Statistics tab to view storage utilization and other statistics for your account.